polar bear. So we started off cold today, okay? Because it's polar bear, you know, and these fuckers are basically the kings of the Arctic, okay? I mean, they can weigh over 1300 pounds, which is 600 kilograms. Crazy shit. And I mean, do you know the song? If it's white, then what? Then good night to all. So, yeah, I mean, it kind of says everything, you know? They've been mostly built to hunt seals. I mean, they can run over 40 kilometers per hour, which is crazy as fuck. And they can even smell them from kilometers away. Like, that's crazy too. That's crazy too. But now comes the problem. They don't see humans as something else. They just see them as another seal, another prey that they just feed on, you know. So yeah, we are not really tough for them. As you can see here, he's twice bigger than this fuck. Holy shit. Their paws are huge as fuck. They are insane, by the way. And yeah, all that combined makes them one of the most terrifying predators that is there, you know. Eye of the tiger. Although lions are called, you know, the kings of the jungle or some shit like that, tigers smoke them in everything, basically. They are larger. They are the biggest cats in the world, by the way. They are usually stronger in 1v1 and also harm more humans. Like, I just found out about that, which is kind of crazy. They are kind of like assassins, you know. They use stealth, darkness, and insane explosive power to ambush prey before it even knows what happened, okay? They can take down animals much bigger than themselves, like some buffaloes or deers. I don't know if deer is bigger, but JTP said that to me. And its bite, it's strong enough to crush through fucking bone, okay? But yeah, they look kind of cute. Crocodile. Most crocodiles actually do not hunt humans, but there are two species that hunt them, okay? And it's the saltwater crocodile and the Nile crocodile, okay? These two together kill about like 1,000 people per year, which is kinda sad. Crocodiles in general are kind of crazy creatures, by the way. Like, they have existed in some form for over 200 million fucking years. Meaning they were already around when dinosaurs were ruling the world, you know? Like, most of these ancient fuckers just disappeared, you know? But crocodiles, they kind of didn't. Like, they didn't really care, you know? Even modern crocodiles still look kind of similar to their ancient ancestors. So they didn't even need to evolve that much. Like, they are crazy. So, for example, this saltwater guy, he can grow over 20 feet long, which is 6 meters, and weigh more than a ton. Their bite force is considered one of the strongest ever measured in any living animal. There is the KSI measure, no, the PSI measure. And yeah, like, he's fucking dominating this list. Holy shit. So if a fucking tiger could crush bone, then this guy doesn't even have to try, you know, to do it. And even they got kind of similar hunting style, no? They got this signature waiting patience near the water's edge with only their eyes and noses visible. Then the prey comes and rah! iPhone. These guys are one of the largest snakes in the world, and holy shit, look how he's curled up on the branch here. It's kind of cool. And also this picture kind of important for later, okay? So don't forget it. These guys are the proof that venom is not the only way to become a top predator if you are a snake, okay? Some species can grow longer than 23 feet, which is 7 meters, which is big as fuck, I don't know what to say. And now the important part. Instead of injecting venom, pythons rely entirely on their muscular bodies to overpower prey. Like, you know, like just smoke them together, I don't know how to say. Some big fucks of these have been documented eating deer, wild pigs, and even small crocodiles. So it's like coming in circles now. And after a huge meal, they may not need to eat again for weeks or even months. I wouldn't want that. I like to eat. Try to guess what is their fighting strategy. It wasn't in this video, yeah, this one. It's called ambush, okay? It remains completely motionless for hours, and then the prey gets close enough, it grabs it, wraps around it, constructs it. Yeah, that's the words, I found them now. And finally, something different. They don't just simply crush bones, okay? They cut off blood circulation so effectively that the prey loses consciousness within minutes. They just submit them with some arm triangle or some shit. Holy shit. Then the animal dies and the python swallows it whole. The whole fucking animal, okay? Like, they are stretchy, you know. You probably know that. Leopard. I got watermelon now, by the way. You can hear the crunch. I don't know if you heard it, but if you have something as well, then good taste. Bon appetit. And these guys are often overshadowed by the lions and tigers, but many wildlife experts actually consider them one of the most impressive big ass cats in the world. Good thing for them is that they basically live everywhere, like you can find them in forests, mountains, grasslands, deserts, and even areas close to where humans live. That's not that good for us. But what's the real weapon of these guys is their strength relative to their size, okay? They can easily drag heavier prey than them into a tree, okay? Which almost no one can do, okay? This helps them to protect their food against some scavengers like hyenas and lions, for example. They are also masters of stealth, like fucking everyone. I feel like stealth is just like common ability in nature. Or at least the fuckers that are on this list. And you may have noticed that they kinda are not really seen on these pictures. Like, they can hide pretty easily, you know, with the coat they got, okay? Also, they even, like, hunt at night, so they surprise you like that. Instead of chasing you throughout the day, they just jump you and... GG's. So yeah, while they are smaller than lions and tigers, they are incredibly versatile predators capable of hunting everything from some small rodents to large fucks. Leopard is basically the best combination of power, intelligence and stealth. This is coming from my head, okay? The lion. Lions are among the most famous animals on earth and are often called the kings of the jungle. And savanna as well, I realized, okay? It's kind of crazy. Unlike most big cats, lions are highly social and live in groups known as prides. Happy for Pride Month, I guess. A pride may contain multiple females, their cubs, and one or several dominant males. Just like me. This social lifestyle allows them to defend territory more effectively and hunt larger prey than many solitary predators that could handle alone, okay? Female lions actually perform most of the hunting, working together to surround and ambush animals such as zebras, wild beasts, fuck is that, and buffaloes. Male lions, though, they are mainly built for fighting too, but for defense as well. Their massive mane not only makes them look intimidating, but also helps protect their neck during battles with rival males. Fully grown male lion can weigh over 500 pounds or 250 kilograms and possess immense strength, okay? They also kind of just are fucking lazy as fuck, okay? They often sleep for up to 20 hours per day. But when they become active, they are... they will fuck you up, okay? Their deep roar can be heard from several kilometers away, making it one of the most iconic sounds in the animal kingdom. Thank you so much. So this was kinda it for this list. I know it's really sad. I mean, I miss you too, but everything has to end. So something better can begin. Good quote, no? So hope you enjoyed. Leave a like if you like, subscribe if you subscribe, and so I need 1,000 for the money back. You know,
make money, repeat.